Namaste, welcome to Tathastu Holistic Health. I Poonam Upadhyay welcome you all. And today the topic of discussion is none other than COVID-19 coronavirus. And if we see the statistics, it's spreading very rapidly. It is already declared as epidemic. And but if we see this epidemic or the COVID-19 is why it is spreading so rapidly. One of the major reason is because we are not taking proper precautions. So uh, we should start taking precautions. And other than that, there are three major factors which I felt like discussing, because it is a cycle and we should break that cycle so that we can overcome it. And the cycle has like the fear factor and the rumor factor and blame game. These three things are in major role. So now the outbreak is so vast and we are constantly getting updated through media, that how it is affecting lives of others, that fear has already come within us. And rather than thinking that we are protected and how we can protect ourselves, already we are thinking that how it will badly affect us and how it will affect our country. And with that point comes the rumor part. So what is happening now that rumors are spreading very you know widely, and each and every people you will say that it in this locality or in this vicinity which is near to you, people have contracted this virus, and the building is sealed, or that rumors are there. And we uh, or our friends, in the matter that to make other aware, spread these messages, but we don't check the authenticity. So I request you all that before forwarding the messages, please check how genuine or authentic the message is. If you yourself are aware of such situation or such person who are like suffering to this condition, do share with others, but otherwise please do not share it. And the third part is the blame game, which is, from starting we are playing that who is responsible for it. And we are not playing our part, but we are into this from long, this that yeah, this should be blamed, government should be blamed. So somewhere we should stop it, and this is the time where we have to take a stand. We have to fight coronavirus as a community, as a committee, where you, me, we all, adapt all the preventive measure or whatever we can do for our individual self, for our family, or for our society. Let's volunteer. Let's be an example and show it to other countries or others that how this can be a reason where we can unite together and work together, and we can overcome it very easily. So with a I want to start this with a positive note, where we stand as volunteer, we maintain all the precautionary measures which we know, we educate others, we educate our friends, we educate our families, and them also, they also take a stand at their own vicinity, at their own area, and easily we can tackle it. So if you feel that you can do it, let's share this message. You yourself can make some videos and share about how precautions we can take and how your area is coping up with this. And let's make famous all the heroes who are following all the precautionary measures, so that others are also inspired and others are also motivated, and they are, they understand how with unity we can tackle it. So if you can become one of the volunteer, do share your pic, do share the pic of someone in your family following all the protocols, so that we can make and fight back coronavirus. Thank you. I hope We will do it positively and handle it with utmost care and wipe it out from our nation and then through the whole globe. Namaste.